Oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, shut up and dance with me. We were victims of the night, the chemical, physical, kryptonite. Help us to the base and the fading light. Oh, we were bound to get together, bound to get together. She took my arm, I don't know how it happened. We took the floor and she said, oh, don't you dare look back.
Mr. and Mrs. Karen Lee and RJ Guevara.
She said, ooh, shut up and dance. Don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, shut up and dance with me. Ooh, shut up and dance with me. Shut up and dance with me.
It's a cultural divide. I'ma get it on the floor.
You really about to do it?
40 acres in the mule. This is bigger than the music.
You really about to do it?
Yeah, they tried to rig the game, but you can't fake influence.
Then get on it like that.
Hey, I'm tripping, I'm sliding, I'm riding through the back like once that on a beat, bro, beat, bro, any rap, he a beat, man down, trying to avalanche, tell him breathe.
When it's looking alright with me, so it's okay with you. For a long time, baby, it's breaking news. I think I'm gonna love you for my whole life. If you wanna know the truth.
Yo, DJ, pop this party.
I was a quick, wet boy diving too deep for coins. All of your streetlight eyes wide on my plastic toys, and well and the cops closed the fair. I cut my long baby hair, stole me a dog-eared map, called for you everywhere. Have I found you, flightless bird, jealous, weeping, or lost you, American mouth, big pill, looming.
Good evening, everyone. I'm the sister's bride, elder sister. My message for you, Karen and RJ. Wishing you both lifetime of love, laughter, and endless happiness. I'm very much happy. Finally, you have tied a knot. You know what I mean. As I've told you before, being your elder sister, entering into a married life is not easy. So there's no turning back. So, as I've said, you have to suck it up, whatever it is. So I just want to tell you both that put God as center of everything, and based on experience, even though I'm a little bit guilty, but when of course, it's not a joyride or something else. You will always have ups and downs. So what I have learned is that don't, before you go to bed, if you have differences, you have to talk it over. Even though I'm a little bit guilty of that, but it really works. You know what I mean. And I'm wishing kids so that I will have more nieces and nephews. But above all, I'm always praying for you both. And you know that I'm just message away, text away as an older sister. Anything that I can help, me and Lino and my kids are just here for you guys. I love you both, and congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Guevara. I love you both.
Sa mga hindi nakakakilala sa akin, ako nga pala yung sumunod na babait sa kuya ko. First of all, I want to congratulate both of you for your very special day. Si kuya, sobrang close kami minsan. Si kuya naman, dependable pag may kailangan. Pagka may kailangan ka, sabi ka lang sa kanya. Nandiyan siya. Magaling din siya sa mga advices. Pero minsan siya pasaway. Kuya, ito na yung pinangarap mo. Sabi mo sa akin, nahanap mo na yung po-kompleto sa buhay mo. Kaya, ito na ngayon. Karen yan. Di ba? Pero wala ka na mahahanap. Sabi ako? Para naman kay Karen, thank you sa pag-accept mo kay kuya, pagmamahal mo, pag-aalaga mo, sa pag-aaway nyo, thank you, para matuto kayo. Tapos, wala ka nang magagawa, mahal mo na. Yun. Dubatid ah. Hindi ako mahiya ito. Tapos, pasensya na rin kung medyo pasaway kami magkakabatid. Yun lang talaga yung love language namin. Asarin namin yung isa't isa hanggang mapigon. Well, yeah. Tapos, masaya. Congratulations sa next chapter ng life nyo together. Sana magkaroon kayo ng more blessings. Tapos, peace, love, and happiness. Meron pa. Oh. Oo. Sa mga staff, thank you din po. Tsaka sa family ni Ate Karen for welcoming us here. Dahil kami from Manila to here. Tsaka pinaka last wish ko, sana walang magpapatulpo. Okay. Okay. I would like to request a toast. Sir, thank you, sir. I would like to request a toast for Mr. and Mrs. RJ and Karen Guevara.
Maayong gabi kanatong tanan.
Living.
Mga Tagalog. Okay. Sorry, Okay. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Pasensya na po kayo kasi konti lang ang alam ko ng Tagalog. Alam mo naman. Okay, pwede po. Bitaw, mayong gabi kanatong tanan. Ako, as a mom, as a single mom, really. As a single mom, thank you, first of all, thank you to our Almighty God. Nga, karon nga time, itagaan tao maayong panglawas, good health, o maayong panahon nga miduyok sa karon nga atong parte nga dugay ng panahon, dugay ng katuigan for almost years na nga giampo ni Lord nga unta ang akong anak nga si Karen o ni RG dugay na nga gipangazo sa Ginoo nga ihatag unta nila ang matrimony sa kaminyoon. Maura jud nay ang adlaw-adlaw nga gipangazo nila. Kay tanan na nga anak bisag ubang tao club na sa tinuoray. Daghan kog adopted pero most of all ang pamilya. So Ginoo napasalamat ko unang-una nga sa good health natong tanan sa weather nga successful karon nga atong party o kaninyo mga side ni RJ, thank you for coming. O kaning mga meme din nini ang naiduha nga kuwang daghan kazong salamat. O for you my dear Karen Lee, RJ, you know already what I mean since before, diba? RG ang Karen, maura jud ni ang istorya ninyo. Wa ko'y daghan nga ihatag ninyo. Wa ko'y butang nga mga materyas kawasa. Divide na ninyo nga ang mga badge, nga ang mga ansa pa ng mga borloloy. Wa ko'y lain nga ikasulti ninyo. Ug ikabilin kay kining tao una man ning ginikanan nga murag mawas kalibutan. Ang yanjo din juday nga ugnay jong mga diferensya, mga lapsis, mga kwat. Adzaw ninyo pahapuni o pa subangan sa adlaw. Mga tub mo, kinahanglan magistorya mo. Honest, respect, and understanding. Open, why gilimot? Why gilimot tanan-tanan. Samot na og mga parte og money. Maura jud na. Don't lies, both of you, ha? So, congratulations ninyo na, RJ. Blessing, God bless you, and congratulations. I love you both.
Prayers ko para sa inyo, lalo ka na RJ. Ikaw ang magiging padre bi pamilya. Pangatawanan mong maging totoong tao. Iwasan mo yung dapat iwasan. Mahalin mo ng maigi si Karen. Huwag mo tatanggalin ng respeto. Kasi sa mag-asawa, dalawa lang ang kailangan. Maging respeto ka, magkaroon ka na respeto, maging matatag ka sa asawa mo, igagala mo palagi. Yun lang. Masaya ako para sa inyo, really.
Thank you sa mga
Salamat po sa mga taga Bohol. Pasensya na po, hindi ako marunong magsalita ng Bisaya, pero nakakaintindi po ako. Konti. Oo. Sana maging maayos kayo palagi. Walang world war. Okay?
Sisters in a different mother kami. Parang soul sister from kindergarten to hanggang ngayon. So, nasya ko kay mag-message day ko. O kami, kanang, in behalf sa namin, actually kulang kami ng dalawa na sa Texas at saka Australia. Kami talaga ang harato na Tagalog na ko, si Jessa, ako, at saka si Bituin. So, yun nga, from kindergarten up to now, so I'm not really pa kanang expert in when it comes to marriage kay I only got married po 3 years pa me sa akong bana, but experience gamay kanang sakto si ate si Det nga put God first sa center in your marriage and then love each other, not only sa isip yung okay kayo, but love more each other in a hard times kay dun kayo matites. And yun lang. Congratulations. We love you. We are always here for both of you. Yun lang. Good evening again.
I would like to say congratulations. First of all, sa 12 years nilang relationship, I've been there. Kasi I still remember the first day na na-meet ko si Kuya RJ, ang unang sinabi niya is, dadalhin niya ako sa, ano ba yun? Yung amusement park, Enchanted Kingdom. Nauna pa ako sa kanyang pumunta. Grabe. But one thing I will do in the future if I will be successful is I will never forget the two of you. Kung meron akong may bibigay sa inyo, hindi ako iyak ba, pray? Kung may ibibigay ako sa inyo, right now, siguro yung love and support ko. Kasi wala pa ako. Pero I'm always thankful kasi lagi kayong nandyan. Especially you, Tita Karen, kasi even if may family problems ako, sa'yo lang ako tumatakbo. And wala lang. Kung maganda ka, mas maganda ako sa'yo. Anyways, tonight, I will sing Kahit Maputi ng Buhok Ko. Ayaw ni Ate Isa kasi wala daw buhok si Kuya RJ, pero okay lang yun.
Kung tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan man, ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kaya ako'y hanggan at yakap
Tingnan mo yung bata, sabi niya, late siya. Ito naman, no. Tingnan mo pa yung bata. Ulit. Oh, bato, bato, bato. Sige, ulit. Bato, bato, pick! Ayan. Oh, kaya dalawa. Bato, bato, pick! Ah! Talo si Boy. So meron pang ano ka na lang, pang tiebreaker or kung ganun. O sige. So meron tayong twist sa ating rules. Sa katong dalawa, kung sino yung matatalo or sino yung mananalo na lang. Sino yung mananalo, makakalaban nyo yung may isang pabonus na pera. Okay? Tsaka may pabonus daw si Karen. Meron. Bato, bato, pick! Ano yan? Walang ulan. Ano naman, oh, gumawa ng sarili niya, rules. Bato, bato, pick! Oh. Natalo.
Winner take all.
Okay. George and Sabrina from Manila. Bato, bato, pick! Wait, square. Bato, bato, pick! Ah, one. Bato, bato, pick! Bato, bato, pick! Pangalawa. Samara na. Ang ating winner, ladies and gentlemen, ay si George ng Canada. Palakpakan naman kay George! George, eto, interview muna tayo. Dito ka muna sa gitna.
Buy food.
Buy food! Okay, anong paborito mong pagkain?
McDonald's.
McDonald's?
Tito Jimboy's cheese sticks.
Nasaan si Tito Jimboy?
First and for all, I would like to thank God for giving us wonderful weather. Feeling ko nga nasobrahan ng dasal nating lahat na okay yung weather. Ang init. Na hindi umulan pa sobrang init. Pero thank you for bearing the heat and staying there for us. Next, I would like to thank my husband. Thank you for shouldering everything and me just being a Disney princess that I am. Inuna ko pang magpailong kaysa tulungan siya sa gastos, pero ganun talaga. Thank you for always being so generous and kind and loving and being just a good person, a good man, and I love you so much. Next, I would like to thank both of our families, especially RJ's side, for coming here in Bohol and for celebrating with us. Thank you so much, guys. And I would like to thank my family as well, especially kay ate and her kids, my mom, actually lahat sila who flew all the way from Canada to celebrate with us. My two kuyas are not here, but still, I'm so grateful for both of our families for being with us today. My friends and all our relatives, thank you so much, guys, for coming. And I would like to especially thank my husband's son, Nick, for celebrating with us. And ano pa ba? My friends, of course. And of course, also Chan Chan, the very head of Chandelier Wedding. Although she's not here with us, I would like to thank you. Salamat Dai-chan. Salamat Jod. Despite, what happened, you're still very hands-on. And of course, to the team, Ma'am Mia, Ma'am Ella, and everyone else, thank you so much. Asa si Arlie? Arlie, special mention, our driver / mula nung prenup, tagabuhat ng bangka and everything. Thank you so much. And I think that's all. Sa mga nakalimutan ko, thank you for all those everyone who shared, who gifted us with their time. Yun naman yung pinaka-importante, those who gifted us their time. And, yun lang. Thank you. Hindi pa huli ang lahat para magbigay kayo ng QR code. Andyan pa yung money envelope. Pwede ba kayo maglagay? I would really appreciate it. Tarot lang. Nahilo na ko na.
Check na naman no?
When the time is right, the Lord will make it happen. That is how I describe this experience. So allow me to thank these three groups who was able to again make this event complete. First of all, I wanted to thank my family. It seems so impossible pero ginawa ng Panginoon na dalhin ko sila dito. Thank you for everything, to my nanay, to my tatay, sa mga kapatid ko, mga kaibigan, my son who was able to complete the puzzle. It seems impossible pero again, nakasama namin siya today. Second, allow me to thank my boss. We have a boss, Karen and I. We've been working with them for almost 8 years. I think more than 8 years. But I haven't seen their faces yet. Pero for 8 years, they've been supporting us, blessing us, pandemic, may sakit, na-operahan, lahat ibinibigay nila. So they're really such a blessing and they were able to extend yung tulong na binibigay ng aming boss to my family as well. So to Craig Smith and Jill Smith, they're supposed to be here but they were not able to go because they do have a mission, a religious mission. So I wanted to thank them for this one. And finally, I wanted to thank Karen and your family. Gusto kong mapasalamat sa inyong atanan, sa inyong gugma, buotan, and support to us. 2013 is when I asked Karen to please let me go in Bohol. Pero there's one mission, a very, very hard mission. I really have to meet this little Karen and ask permission from her. And while we're walking sa ICM, we saw her. And the name of that little Karen is Edita Tejada. And my mission first is to ask her if pwede ba akong magstay sa bahay nila. Kasi nagulat sila or something like that. Sabi ko sa kanya, Nay, pwede ba akong magstay sa bahay ninyo? Ang sabi niya sa akin, RG, mamaya tayo mag-usap. But the thing is, pagdating ko sa bahay, they provided me everything. Walang question, walang hesitation. They didn't question me at all. Tinatulog nila ako ng maayos. Nay, this is for you. Thank you again for everything, and to your family, to Ate Sidit, sa mga kapatid ni Karen and all. And the day that they provide me or they give me food, chicken halang-halang, ano pa, marami and all. May manok Bisaya, hot chocolate and everything. It feels like home. So thank you so much again to the Tejada family and to all Bocolanos. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you.